Alright, this is 1509 Sawmill. It's a sanctuary floor plan. Street here. This one's got luxury vinyl plank throughout. Secondary bathroom right here. Tub. And then front bedroom. And down this hallway you've got the garage. And the garage has it's like a 4-foot, 6-foot extension on it. Laundry room. Got a nice sized little den in here. Down here we have the great room area. You got a dining area over there, kitchen, beautiful kitchen tile backsplash, gas cooking, pantry. You have a little setup here with a fireplace, or you can hang your TV above the fireplace, or you can hang your TV over there. Either way, it's nice to have a fireplace though. This one does have a bay window on the bedroom, which is really nice. Kind of captures some of the views there. This one does have a zero entry shower. And nice closet here, nice master. You got a 5-stack over in the corner. Backyard here is to the west. Beautiful views of the mesa. Nice big yard here. We got a fence in. This is lot 14 in Roaring Creek.